1128. We're going to cook a tri-tip. $11.32 here. We're going to open this bag, put it off a frozen tri-tip. You gotta be careful with these food saver bags. They actually have a second layer. You have to make sure it's covered. Okay, this literally needs to be glued with this thing frozen. It's the only way we're going to get the Simply Marvelous Peppered Cow to stick. So, make sure we get that over there real good. All's good. Right. We're going to take this one glove off so we don't get junk all over our shaker. Okay, so got it on the Mac. Amazing smoker going in the background. You can see it's 11:35, and we're going to turn the Mac on. I am going to set this to 200. We're not going to put a thermometer in there for obvious reasons right now, and we'll just close the lid.